Ying.
No one explained to me like
Kakole.
yeah.
Kakole.
Who was it?
Kyabaye kulanga bwaki minisita yali ayitawo
Obala nze abantu baana bakiteete bansobera buli avaayo abayagala alaga amaanyi kati omukazi ayimiridde wa nze lemerwa nnyo ongamba otya nga sirina nnyonyi amajingo kibaye ekyo wama kibaye ekyo jingo ogenda nfunanyo giweka ebbaga yaffe like that night
sula wagugube wane Entebbe.
My name is Kyakwekwasa Peter from the Public Relations Department, NIRA. So here today we are here to receive equipment that's very vital in the process of mass enrollment and renewal of national IDs. This particular equipment is for production of national IDs. It follows consignments that we got just a month ago. We got about 3 consignments for kits. The kits, and these kits have already been deployed to the field. They've also been vital in the training of registration assistants and registration officers. A number of them will be, of course, deployed at parish level to conduct the exercise that will soon start to register. It goes without saying that the preparation for this exercise started a while ago. Started by stakeholder engagement. We have met several leaders, we have met political leaders, we have met cultural leaders, we have met local leaders, we have met religious leaders. What follows that was a recruitment. We made adverts, we announced vacancies, and people applied online, and they were also trained, all right? And as we talk right now, we have trained at least 10,000 registration assistants and registration officers. And what these people are going to do actually is to register Ugandans at parish level. In this exercise, we are doing twofold. We are doing one, mass enrollment. Mass enrollment involves registration of people who have never registered for national IDs. It includes even infants. A child who has just been born can be registered to get a NIN. It also includes carrying out certain updates. For instance, you have someone who obtained the NIN when they were still young, but now they've attained 16 years and above of age. So their data needs to be updated, okay? And also we have people whose IDs have expired. So it targets such categories, mass enrollment and mass renewal of national IDs. But most importantly, this exercise will be done. We have certain procedures because we need to maintain the integrity of these procedures. They will only be done at district level, and they are change of particulars. In case someone wants to change particulars on their national IDs, someone wants to drop a name. So these are things that we shall not be doing at the field, all right? Because we want to maintain the integrity of the whole process. So at least we shall have them done at decentralized. There's something that the public needs to know, that at our centers, our people have been trained. So no one should fear to come to these registration centers. So I've trained our people that even, you know, we have a category of people that we call VIPs, which are the vulnerable. We think the less advantaged people are pregnant women, expectant mothers, breastfeeding mothers, people with disabilities, PWDs. So we think that these people, when they visit us, some attention should be given to them. And we're asking these people not to shy away from the exercise, because we are going to take care of their interests. We're going to take care of them. So it's within our best interest to have them visit us. I assure you, we are in advanced stages to kickstart the exercise. And once we are done, what we receive today is going to be installed further. What we are receiving today is part of our infrastructure that is key to commence the exercise. And once we are ready, there will be a public pronouncement, either by the minister or by HE. But all you need to know is we're in our last stages to start the exercise.